Imagine a situation where a loved one is struggling to make important decisions, perhaps about their health, finances, or even their daily safety. It is a challenging and often worrying time for families, trying to balance support with respecting their autonomy. A loved one typically needs a legal guardian when a court determines they are no longer able to make informed decisions for themselves due to severe impairment, and this inability puts their well-being, health, or finances at significant risk. The core reason centers on what is called incapacity. This means the individual lacks the mental capacity to understand the consequences of their choices or to communicate those choices effectively. This can arise from various conditions, including severe symptoms of mental health conditions like schizophrenia, advanced dementia, or a serious brain injury. The inability to manage daily tasks, like paying bills, making medical appointments, or ensuring personal safety, often triggers the need for a guardian. Deciding if guardianship is necessary usually involves a careful assessment by medical professionals and a legal process. Family members or concerned parties can petition the court to appoint a guardian. The court will look for clear evidence that the individual cannot make responsible decisions for themselves and that other less restrictive options, such as a power of attorney, are not sufficient or are unavailable. This process is designed to protect the individual, who is considered unable to protect themselves. It is important to understand that guardianship is considered a measure of last resort because it removes many of an individual's rights to make their own decisions. Courts prioritize finding the least restrictive alternative that still ensures the person's safety and well-being. This might mean exploring options like supported decision-making agreements or limited guardianships, where the guardian only has authority over specific areas like finances or medical care, allowing the individual to retain as much independence as possible. Ultimately, the goal of guardianship is to provide a safety net for those who genuinely cannot care for themselves, ensuring their essential needs are met and their interests are protected. It is a complex legal step, but it serves to safeguard a loved one's health, safety, and financial security when they can no longer do so independently.